Okay, morning, grade 9. So the rest of exercise 4. So what you need to do for exercise 4 is just your front view, your top view, and your left view. That's what I ask you. And then the rest of exercise 4 you will also do in technology. So it's not required for maths, for the test or the exams. So you can go through it, but it's more the corners and all that stuff they will teach you this in technology. So don't worry about that. For the exams, you just need to know what is the front view, what is the top view, or what is the side view. Remember, that's the only thing you need to do. So exercise 4, they will do that later on in technology. Exercise 5, it's just constructions and compass directions. So just make sure, go through the example. Or quick, it's not difficult. North 80 degrees west. So you will start at north. It's the top one, and you'll go 80 degrees with your and you'll just measure your 80 degrees to the west side. So the first one is where you start, and the last one is what go to the left or the right, north or east. So again, it's not necessary for the exam. All of them, you're not going to get anything like this in the exam, so you will be okay with that. And then just angles of elevation or angles of depression. It's just the difference between elevation is when you go up, and the other one is when you go down. They'll give you, so what you'll do is you'll always have a horizontal line. Remember, it's like sunsets, horizontal line. And then when you go angle of elevation, it's the angle that you go up from that line, or an angle of depression is where you go down from the line. So just make sure when they do ask you, they will ask you which angle in this sketch is the angle of elevation from C to F. So when you're at C, you must draw a horizontal line. And then from there on, you need elevation. So it's the one going up. Okay, so there will be that little dark one there. So, but again, it's not necessary for the exam, but you can just go through that. I think we must rather focus on what you need to do. All of them they will teach you in technology as well. Okay, so then it's just a mixed exercise. Convert 100 degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit. We know that formula, or you're supposed to know the formula by now. So the formula is F for Fahrenheit equals 9/5 Celsius plus 32 degrees. Okay, so that's your formula. So only thing what you do, you know your Celsius, so you'll put your 100 in there. Substitution, and you will work it out. That's 7.1. 7.2, how many square centimeters are there in a squared meter? So remember here, it's a nice question to ask you. So they ask how many square centimeters there is in a meter. So from centimeters to meter, we know you have to times with 100. But now they want to know centimeters, square centimeters. Okay, up to meter. Square meter. So what is square centimeters? It's centimeters times centimeters. And meter is meter times meter. So you must also do that with 100. So it's not going to be 100. It's going to be 100. And that will be 10,000. Okay, so in 1 square meter, there will be 10,000 square centimeters. So that's the question they ask you. Just remember, this is our normal measurement from centimeters to meter. You just times with 100. Oh, well, actually, from meters to centimeters, you times with 100. Or from centimeters to meters, you divide by 100, depends. So now we use centimeters, square centimeter, square meter. So it's centimeter times centimeter. So you must do the same with the 100. And the square of 100 is 10,000. So that's the question there. Okay, 7.2, 7.3. Rectangular prism, real measurements are 5, 4, and 6. So you must calculate your mistake in percentage. Okay, that was the same that you did, I think, in exercise 3. Just go through that, do that one. 7.4, it's fine, you don't need to do that one. And 7.5, they all study the following stack of tins. Suppose all of the tins are the same size. Require draw the top view. So what do you see from the top? So we're only going to see one tin. It's going to light one, dark one, light one, light one, dark one, light one, dark one. And then next to it, it's going to be a light, light, dark. Okay, so this is a double one, so you're only going to see one dark spot, and that's that. So just continue, quickly finish 5.1. Like I said, don't worry about the rest of exercise 4 or 5 or 6, and just continue and quickly finish the mix exercises. Okay, and then we'll continue tomorrow with 5.2. Good luck.